Okay.
Now,
Now, first question is how many are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. अभी ऑप्शन ये नहीं है, राइट?
हाँ,
ऑप्शन में लेता हूँ. हाँ, ये रहने देता हूँ. चलो, एक रहने देता हूँ. 1/4. सेकंड ऑप्शन है 2/8. तीसरा ऑप्शन है 1/3. चौथा ऑप्शन है 2/3. कौन सा आंसर आएगा? विच विल बी द आंसर?
sir.
यस.
The third.
थर्ड मतलब
Third
कौन सा?
one, 1/3.
हाउ यू गॉट 1/3?
Ganesh.
2/6. It's the equivalent fraction, right?
Yes.
Yes.
It is all both are divisible by 2. So when you divide both number by 2, you get 1/3. Correct?
3.
So this is the answer. Correct, है ना?
Yes.
And this we have done multiple times. I gave you worksheet also for this, right? How many of you finished? How many of you finished that worksheet? अरे, I am asking you how many of you finished that worksheet? You have not done तो बोलो नहीं done है. Not done.
Sir, Ganeshka.
Kanishka finished?
Yeah.
Very good. ठीक है. चलो next. Okay, I'll ask one by one questions. Everybody has to solve one question quickly, right? I open two papers. Ideally, I want both to be completed. चलो फटाफट करो. Read Ganesh का first your turn.
Raunak has rupees 156 and Sahil has rupees 330.
Okay.
Then how much money should Sahil give to Raunak so they both have equal amount?
Very good. Anybody can tell me how it can be done? I want. Chalo, I'll just give you a question, right? This and this. Okay. Ronak has some money. Sahil has some money, right? Now, whoever his money is more, you will give some money to him so that what is your answer? What it should be? What you need to achieve is you need to make R equal to S. Correct, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
That means
Yes.
suppose R has more money than S, then what will R will give to S? Or R has
Yes.
less money than S, then S will give to S, right?
Yes.
How much money he will give? Jitna, when they have a both equal, correct hai?
Yes.
Chalo. So how will you solve this? I want a trick. I can give you answer in 2 seconds, right? But I want you to think. How will you do it? Now you don't know what is R. Okay, chalo, I'll not give R and S thing. Suppose I'll just mark this as out. This is what you don't want, right? Now we'll take one number, one name from your people only, right? Chalo, Ganesh has some rupee and Dhruvit has some rupee, right? Correct? Now, suppose Ganesh has 200 rupees, correct? Yes or no? And Dhruvit has 100 rupees, right? So Ganesh has more rupee.
Yeah.
How much Ganeshka should give it to Dhruvit so that become Ganeshka equal to Dhruvit it will become. Correct, na?
Sir, 50.
How did you calculate?
Sir, if Ganishka gives 50 to Dhruvit, Dhruvit has 150 and Ganishka also has 150.
Correct? Done?
Yes.
Chalo. I give you another number, right? Because this was very easy, I want you to calculate this, right? Suppose I say that 356 and 212. Now,
Now,
difficult है ना?
yes,
है ना?
yes,
चलो, the old
Yes.
one, how did you calculate? 200 and 100, how did you calculate? Because it's zero number, very easy to calculate, right?
yes.
Yes.
Suppose I give you another example. Okay, Ganeshka has 12 marbles and uh, Dhruvit has 20 marbles, right? So what you have to do is make it equal. So what you'll do? What do you do? चलो, we'll go step by step. Correct है ना?
Yes.
Dhruvit give 1 to Ganeshka. We'll get 13. It will become 19. Equal हो गया क्या? नहीं
No.
ना? One more. 14 and 18. Equal हो गया क्या?
Mm-hmm.
नहीं. 15 and 17. Equal हो गया क्या?
Mm-hmm. No.
16 and 16. Equal हो गया क्या?
Yes.
Right? It has become equal, right? Now, in
Yes.
this case, all the numbers what I've written, right? I'll just write the number again. 12, 20, 13. So you will be able to see very clearly, right? 19, 18, 17, 16, 14, 15, 16, 17. What is common in all of this? If you find all of this, what is common in all these numbers? Something you do, something you make it.
Sir,
What is common in all of this, all these numbers?
so there is a sequence of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Nah, nah,
and
yeah. What I
6.
ask you, what is common in all? All the number. What is there here? It is also here. It is also here. It is also here. It is also here. It is same for all of this. Huh? Tell me. दिमाग लगाओ.
Sir, 9, 8, 7, 6.
What is common in all? You understand?
1. But
नहीं.
only in 20 is
20
not
में किधर
there.
मान है?
Uh,
सोचो सोचो सोचो. What is common in this is one set. I'm asking you what is common in set. Huh? This is one set. This is second set. This is third set. This is fourth set. This is fifth set. What is common in all?
Everything is 2 digit.
Very good. चलो, ये नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. और
if there is
There
only
is a
That
row.
is, I'm saying
there is
set.
only even.
Sir,
And
there
I'm
is a row.
I'm saying set. I
Sir,
want
there is.
to.
There are.
It is like even odd. Even odd. Even
नहीं,
odd.
कैसे इवन ऑड है? ये दोनों ऑड है. यहाँ पे दोनों इवन है. यहाँ पे दोनों इवन है. यहाँ पे दोनों ऑड है. यहाँ पे दोनों इवन है. तो सब में थोड़ी सेम होता है. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. हम्म. बताओ बेटा.
Every number comes in one table.
अरे बेटा, वो तो सबके सब वन के टेबल में कोई भी नंबर डालूंगा तो होगा ना. दिमाग लगाओ ना यार. थोड़ा सामने लगाओ यार. व्हाट इज दिस? ऐड करो उसको. क्या आ रहा है? ऐड करो. क्या आ रहा है?
32, 32. Sir, everyone there is coming only 32.
हाँ, तो सब में सेम है ना सब कुछ, राइट?
Yes.
वही तो पूछा था ना मैंने. दैट इज व्हाट आई आस्क यू, राइट?
Yes.
नाउ देयर इज एनी एंड व्हाट इज द आंसर? 30 is the total. And what is the answer? Both has to be equal, right? What is the answer you are getting?
Both has to be equal.
16, right?
Yes.
Correct, है ना? Is there a
Yes.
relation between 32 and 16?
No.
No relation?
Both are even.
Very good. और 32 and 16 में और कोई relation है? Any operation
Three
relation?
and one are both odd.
नहीं any operation नहीं पैटर्न नहीं चाहिए मेरे को बेटा any
Sir,
operation
it comes in fourth table. Sir,
very
two
good it
digits.
comes in 4 table right और
Sir, two digits.
Sir, 16 plus 16 is 32.
correct सही जवाब 16 twos are 32 correct that is what I wanted clear है
Yes.
understood
Yes.
got it very clearly
Yes.
very nice correct है ना तो ये क्या हो गया 16 twos are so what you did you add both the numbers original number and then divide by 2 correct ना so if you
Yeah.
want to put this equal what do you do 156 plus 330 add them what you get answer whatever answer you get right I am not calculating the answer मैं चलो calculate कर लेता हूँ 8 and then 4 right correct है ना correct है
Yes.
now then divide by 2 what do you get 2 4 3 correct है ना so both will have this much right correct
Yes.
but your answer is not that now you said suppose if I give you first number 100 right so I said how much money here what I'll get how much everybody will have 150 and 150 correct but question is not that question is that what how much money Ganishka should give to Dhiran or Dhruvit such that it become a guess so it will give 50 rupees here right the answer is 50 not 150 correct है ना yes or no
Yes.
but by adding what I'm getting by adding and dividing what I'm getting is I'm getting the answer which they will have with them after the making equal correct है ना
Yes.
I don't want that I want how much money this Sahil will give it to Ronak such that they become equal correct है ना
Yes.
so how much money more Sahil has suppose if I have 200 and he has 100 right Chalo, I'll just change the number this time, right? So at least it will make little different, right? Okay. I'll make this 50. I'll make this 200, correct? So how much money Sal should give to Ron now such that it become equal, correct?
Sir, may I drink water?
Yes, beta. Correct, है ना? So how much money? So they will take out 50 out. Here also 50 out, right? So दोनों equal हो गया अभी. How much money Ganishka is more? How much money more Ganishka has? From Ron from Dhruvit.
150.
150 rupees, right?
150.
If I remove 150 from Ganishka, they both become equal.
Yes.
Correct. So how much money Ganishka should give it to Ronau to make it equal? 150 divided by 2. Correct, Anna?
Yes.
Correct. You understood what I did? I made it equal first. So what you do it? Just 330 minus 156. Yes. What do you get? 4, 7, 1. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Now this is something what Sahil has more, right? So
Yeah.
then you have to divide this by 2, you get the answer. You get 87. That is the answer, correct? Now if you see here, even I don't have to calculate. I'll just tell you what need to do, right? You just have to check n digit. क्या करना है? You just have to check n digit. Suppose you have to subtract what? 0 minus 6, right? You can do 0 minus 6. Can you do? Can you do 0 minus 6?
Yes.
हैं?
No. Sorry.
You can't do 0 minus 6, right? तो क्या करना
Yes.
पड़ेगा? Borrow करना पड़ेगा. So you can do 10.
5 से.
Can you do 10 minus 6?
Yes.
You get 4, right?
4.
If you
Yes.
divide by 4, what do you get? 2?
Yes.
Or this can be 14 also, right?
Yes.
14 divided to 2, 7. So end में either 2 आएगा या 7 आएगा, right? There is only one option 7. There is no two option any other, right? This cannot be answered. Correct, na?
Yes.
So this is a shortcut. Now what I'll do, I tell you, it has to be lazy, right? You have to be very, very lazy when you're solving this. So what I do, 330 minus 156. In a normal terms, if I want to work out, right? In normal way. So I can do this. Any normal person will do this, right?
Yes.
If you know, any normal person will do this, right or no?
Yes.
अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा है? 330 minus 156 is equal to how much you got? कितना आया था?
87.
174. And 174 divide by, what do you do divide by?
94.
है? Divide by 2 ना, you're dividing with 2 people. 94 कहाँ से आएगा?
सर ये क्या है?
रुको, मैं कॉपी कर रहा हूँ, तुमको यहाँ पे लिखना भी ना. डिवाइड बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू 87. करेक्ट. नाउ ट्रिक क्या होगा? व्हाट इज ट्रिक विल बी? एंड डिजिट ट्रिक. एंड डिजिट ट्रिक यूज करो. एंड डिजिट विल बी 4 आएगा. तो आंसर शुड हैव 2 और 7 ओनली.
सर एक्स का मतलब क्या है?
इसका मतलब कोई भी डिजिट हो सकता है. एस का मतलब होता है कोई भी डिजिट हो सकता है वो, राइट? इट कैन बी एनी डिजिट. ईडी का मतलब क्या होता है? एंड डिजिट. क्या है? एंड डिजिट को चेक करो. व्हाट आई डिड ना, एंड डिजिट, राइट? आई एम शोइंग यू ट्रिक. अगर नहीं आता तो ऐसे ओनली वन ऑप्शन, राइट?
ईडी मतलब इडियट डॉग.
एंड डिजिट. ईडी इज एंड डिजिट. ईडी ट्रिक. ये तुम्हारा नंबर आ गया. व्हेन यू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस व्हाट यू गेट? 0 माइनस 4, राइट? एंड डिजिट विल बी व्हाट?
4.
एक्स एक्स 0 माइनस एक्स एक्स 6, राइट? इज इक्वल टू ये आ गया. करेक्ट है ना? तो लास्ट में इधर 0 आना चाहिए. व्हेन यू डिवाइड बाय 2 आंसर शुड बी 2 and this divide by 2. Correct? This divide by 2. So answer should be either ending with 2 or either ending with 7, right? There is only one option which is ending with 7. तो दोनों में से कोई भी यूज कर सकते हो. Both you can use. Either you use a trick or either you should do this, right? चलो. You have 3 cards with the number 4, 5 and 8 on them. How many different 2-digit numbers can be formed? This I have already given you, right?
Yes.
How many 2-digit even number you can form, right?
Yes.
So how many you can make?
5 to 6.
Even number means what?
Even mean that
Even number mat.
that don't comes in 3 stay. That don't comes in
Which is divisible by 2, right? So
yes.
that means here out of these two number, okay, 3 cards have how many 2-digit number can be formed. Correct, na? You got a 3-digit multiply by, sorry, cross 8, right? This is how to show you how it is X means, right? Now any number has to be end with this, yes or no?
Yes.
Correct है ना? ठीक है? Now you have 3 cards. So one card where can we use only once, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So here You can have either 5, correct? Right? Only you can replace first card, right? Or you can have, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Second option also you have this, right? Correct? So what you can have? 5 already used once, right? So that combination is over. Now you can you put 4 here? Can you put 4 here on both the places? Yes or no?
This is wrong. तुझी मान वगैरह सगळं
Yes.
म्हणतात.
Parents, please advise mat karo.
चेअरवरती तुम्ही
Let them think. I am here to guide them. Can we write this number also, yes or no?
चेअरवरती
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. So another number can be this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Chalo. Now I'll give you one example. Just see. We'll try to form this form, right? We'll try to make these numbers, right? I give you 3 card here. Okay? That's why you have to remember, you have to read the question carefully, correct? I'm giving you 3 cards here, right? 1 card, 2 card, and 3 card, correct? Okay. Now I write the number on the top, right? 4, 5, and 8. You have to make 2D number, correct or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
So what I did, I want to make 44, right? So I take 4 here to make a number. Now to make a 44, I want another 4, huh? Right or no?
Yes.
Do you have 4 there? Because you have only one card with the number 4, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
You cannot make 44 and 88. Understood? Understood why you cannot make 44 and 88?
Yes.
Because there are only 3 cards. What is? You have 3 cards with the number 4, 5, and 8, right? Now, when you take 4, you can take only 8 or 5, correct? Na? And because you want to make it even number, can be formed, right? So I can have 54, I can have 58. First thing, both the digits has to be different. That is first thing. And second condition is what? The last digits to be even, correct? And you have 4 and 8, correct, na? Got it?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Dhiran?
Yes.
Understood, beta?
सर
समझ में आ गया?
सर भी आप जो कर रहे थे ना वो वाला कभी मैंने कर लिया था.
वेरी नाइस बेटा. तो आंसर किसने
हाँ.
बताया बेटा? हाँ बोल.
I don't understood.
Who?
Dhruvit.
ध्रुवित. वेरी गुड.
Yes.
रीड कर क्वेश्चन बेटा. Read the
You
question.
have 3 cards with a number
Wait,
4,
wait.
5
I am
and
taking
8.
1 minute. देखो ये इंग्लिश ने रीड करना, राइट? मैंने कितनी बार बोला डोंट रीड इंग्लिश, अंडरस्टैंड एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, राइट? यू हैव 3 कार्ड्स विद 4, 5 एंड राइट विद देम, राइट?
Yes.
अब यहाँ पे 3 कार्ड्स ले लिया. अब ये इंग्लिश ही गलत है. यहाँ पे यू हैव 3 कार्ड्स विद नंबर विद ऑन देम, राइट? सॉरी, हाँ, राइट. तो मेरे पास 3 कार्ड हो गया, 4, 5 8, करेक्ट?
Yes.
रीड करो आगे.
इससे पार्टी जाता है.
रीड फर्दर. रीड कर ध्रुवित आगे.
Digit digit even number be
नहीं,
can
पूरा
be
पढ़
formed.
बेटा, पूरा धीरे से.
How many different 2-digit even numbers can be formed?
वेरी गुड. दैट इज हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट लिखा है. क्या है यार? डिफरेंट.
Different.
एक और 2 डिजिट मेरे को बनाना है. एंड इट हैज टू बी इवन, राइट?
Yes.
करेक्ट. तो इवन जब बना दिया तो यहाँ पे इधर 4 हो सकता है और 8 हो सकता है, करेक्ट है?
Yes.
सो व्हेन आई टेक 4 हियर, आई कैन पुट 5 हियर, राइट? आराम से. If I take 8 here, I can put 5 आराम से, right? तो ये दोनों तो clear हो गया?
Yes.
Yes. Then I have used 2 cards. अब मैं दूसरा combination लिखाता हूँ, right? I'll take a different combination, right? Now I want to make this card as I take 4 here, right? Right. So either I take 54, yes or no?
Yes.
54 तो मैंने बना दिया, right? 54 I already made, right? So what I can make? Now I can make only 84.
54, 58 and 84.
And 48 भी तो बना सकता हूँ मैं,
हाँ.
correct? Because I can always make this number also 48 भी बना सकता हूँ, right? I can take 4 on this side also, right?
Yes.
Because 8 also can be unit place, right? But I cannot make 44, I cannot make 88, correct?
Yes.
You understood? तो ये रिपीटेशन अलाउड नहीं है इसके अंदर, राइट? चलो, ओके, रीड कर नेहान।
सर।
समझ में आया बेटा पहला वाला क्वेश्चन?
हाँ।
वेरी गुड, चलो रीड कर। तेरा आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है बेटा। धीरे- तेरा तेरा आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है बेटा, आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है। नेहान, वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग बेटा। हेडफोन हटा दे, हेडफोन हटा के बात कर। तेरे हेडफोन हटा दे। चलो ठीक है, ओके ध्रुवित, अरे सॉरी, धीरान, धीरान
Yes.
रीड कर बेटा 8 वाला क्वेश्चन।
Shada has 6 notes of rupees 10.
धीरे 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 बेटा, एकदम फास्ट रीड नहीं करना। हाँ बोला, क्या हो गया?
9 notes of rupees 5.
एक
And
मिनट,
7
एक मिनट,
notes
एक
of
मिनट, एक मिनट, ये
rupees
क्या है बेटा?
50.
व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज दिस?
Comma.
कॉमा। तो वहां रुकना है ना, कॉमा मतलब अल्प विराम। क्या है अल्प विराम? क्या है?
Upagram.
तो उधर थोड़ा रुको, समझ में आया? वेट फॉर सम टाइम। सो क्या होगा? श्रद्धा हैज, रीड कर बेटा वापस।
Shraddha has 6 notes of rupees 10.
उसका मतलब क्या हो गया? उसका कितने रुपये हो गए? 60 हो गया।
हाँ.
6 इंटू 10, राइट? और 10 इंटू 6, करेक्ट?
9 notes of rupees 5.
तो कितना हो गया?
105।
नहीं, एक ही चेक करे, पूरा नहीं करो अभी तक। डोंट डू एक एक करके करने का। दे डिड नॉट आस्क यू टू ऐड, राइट? फोकस ओनली ऑन स्मॉल पार्ट। देन कितना हो
7
गया?
notes of rupees 50.
750 हो गया, राइट? करेक्ट है ना?
Yes.
व्हाट इज द टोटल अमाउंट श्रद्धा हैज नाउ? श्रद्धा के पास कितना पैसा है, राइट? सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन टेक इट एज एस्टिमेशन 50 ले सकते हो। तो यहाँ पे क्या गया? 400 हो गया, और जो
हाँ.
5 यहाँ पे ऐड किया था, 5 यहाँ से माइनस कर दो, ये 55 हो गया, राइट? 455। करेक्ट है ना?
हाँ.
तो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव नाउ, दिस इज व्हाट, एंड टोटल बेटा बाद में करने के लिए बोला, राइट? सो डोंट डू इन एडवांस, यू डोंट रिक्वायर टू डू इट इन एडवांस। 60 प्लस 45 प्लस 350 इज इक्वल टू 455। ठीक है, चलो नेक्स्ट। गणेश का
Using all the one-digit odd numbers, each only once form the greatest five-digit number.
वेरी वेरी इजी,
75,000. Sir, second one.
सेकंड ऑप्शन, वेरी गुड, खत्म। चलो नेक्स्ट। नेहान, तेरा आवाज आ रहा है बेटा अभी?
हाँ.
हाँ, वेरी गुड, चल बोल।
The hour hand of a clock is in between 5 and 6, and the minute has hand is at 6. What is the time?
Hmm. Okay. Now क्या हो गया? Now listen very carefully. Nehan, you tell me one thing. I'll ask question.
Huh?
If our hand is between 5 and 6, what does it mean? हाँ ना, तेरा आवाज अभी ब्रेक हो रहा है बेटा, अभी भी तेरा आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है।
Sir,
एक मिनट एक
sir,
मिनट एक
quarter to
मिनट, ना ना,
six.
नहीं, एक मिनट बेटा, आंसर नहीं चाहिए मेरे को। नेहान, इज योर मॉम, तुम्हारी मॉम घर पे है क्या? मॉम घर पे है क्या बेटा? हाँ,
नहीं है मम्मी घर पर।
नहीं है बेटा, तो फिर तेरा हेडफोन हटा, हेडफोन से मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है बेटा। हेडफोन हटा, आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड हेडफोन। तेरा आवाज बहुत ब्रेक हो के आ रहा है बेटा, टू मच ब्रेकिंग। एक मिनट एक मिनट। नेहान,
हाँ सर।
अरे बेटा, इसका आवाज वापस ब्रेक हो रहा है, तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? तेरे को मालूम था लैपटॉप में क्या इश्यू है?
सर सर हेडफोन निकाल दिया उसके।
नहीं, फिर भी आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है उसका बेटा।
अगर आप क्या कर सकते हैं सर?
तो इसका रिपेयर कराओ ना बेटा, हेडफोन, माइक्रोफोन ठीक कराओ उसका। या
मैं
मोबाइल
पापा
से,
को बोलता हूँ।
मम्मी दादी का फोन है क्या?
हाँ है पर उसमें सुन नहीं है।
ठीक है, अलग टाइम से दूसरा डिवाइस रेडी करके रखना बेटा। तेरे को मालूम तो है ना, तू तो लाता है इवनिंग क्लासेस में, तेरे को मालूम लैपटॉप के साथ क्या इशू है।
हाँ
तेरे को आवाज मेरा सुनाई दे रहा है, उसका आवाज मेरे को नहीं सुनाई दे रहा है।
ठीक है सर।
ओके, चल।
जरूर।
जरूरत नहीं बोल, थोड़ा नजदीक आके बोल बेटा। हम्म। अब व्हाट आई आस्क यू बेटा, इफ द आवर हैंड इज बिटवीन 9 and 10, अरे 5 and 6, व्हाट डज इट मीन?
5 o'clock।
नहीं, अगर इन बिटवीन कहां पर भी है आवर हैंड, यहाँ पे इट इज समवेयर हियर,
सर,
राइट?
सर
आई
मैं
डोंट नो,
बोलूं?
एक मिनट, आई डोंट नो द मिनट हैंड, राइट? आवर हैंड, इफ इट इज बिटवीन 5 and 6, व्हाट डज इट मीन? एक मिनट उसको बोलने दे बेटा, बाद आई विल गिव यू टाइम बेटा, वेट।
It
रेज योर
is,
हैंड।
it means 5 o'clock.
नहीं, इट डज नॉट मीन इट इज 5 o'clock। ओके, यस, पक्ष बोल, क्या हो गया?
5:30.
No, it does not mean 5. It can be
Quarter
anything.
past five.
It can be any between here, right? It can be anything between here,
Quarter
right?
past five.
Half past
नहीं
5.
बेटा,
Quarter past five.
Half
नहीं,
past.
मेरे को आंसर नहीं चाहिए। आई डोंट वांट आंसर फॉर दिस, आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग, आई एम रीडिंग ओनली दिस मच, राइट? आई एम रीडिंग ओनली
Quarter
दिस
to
मच।
six.
So it can be
Quarter
15,
past
it can be
five.
30.
ओके, या टेल मी बेटा, या गणेश का।
It can be 15, it can be 30, it can be 45.
इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, राइट?
Yeah.
It can be 520 also, it can be 521 also, it can be 530 also, it can be 525 also, right?
Yeah, but
Yes.
it
Not necessarily,
can't be
it is
zero
not
zero.
necessarily 15 minutes, right? So when I
Yeah.
say our hand is between 5 and 6, it means it has already 5 passed, right? And there is a 6, it is 6 is not done, so it is 2 6 aayega, right? Something past 5, correct? Or something 2 6, right? Some minutes past 5 और some minutes 2 6, ये करेक्ट है? इट इज इन बिटवीन 5 and 6, yes or no?
Yes.
So 5 o'clock has already happened
Yes.
and 6 o'clock is yet to happen, yes or no?
Yes.
It
Yes.
can be 10 past, it can be 5 to, anything it can be, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Now why I am saying it has to be past 2 this thing past 5 or 2 6 ऐसा करना चाहिए, right? Now I go to here, right? When I read this only this much, right? I say 2 5 cannot be the answer. Past 6 cannot be the answer because 6 is not done. Correct है ना? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
When I have a 9, it gives a quarter. It half also cannot be the answer. So you get the answer is this. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you understand what I am trying to explain you. You cannot go wrong in this if you learn this way. Correct है ना? So it has to be 5 and 6. That means it will be 5 past 5 or answer should be 2 6. Correct है ना? So it is 10 past 5 or 15 to 6 or quarter to 6. Correct? Or quarter past 5. Something like this it will happen, right? But it cannot be 2 because 2 will be something put to something which is already not done. And past will put it is already done, right? So 6 is already not done. So you cannot have past. 5 already done. You cannot have 2 5. Okay. Now it is 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock will be either quarter, right? So you cannot have half also. So this is also gone. Whether it is past or something, so it is quarter past 6. Correct, na? Understood?
Yes.
So you don't have to look at this, right? First thing you should check कि क्या हो रहा है. Now see quarter they have used everyone, right? चलो. So now can I give you 5 minutes to solve these questions?
Sir, I don't have the notebook.
यहाँ पे रखा है ना बेटा मैंने. I
Sir,
kept it here, right? I
सर
kept it
क्या
here.
रखा है?
हाँ?
क्या रखा है?
अरे मेरे स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है ना तेरे को?
हाँ.
Can you see on my screen or no?
Yes.
ठीक है. I am giving you 7 minutes to solve these 7 questions, right?
Yes.
Yes. The answer is already marked for the 7th one, but you don't have to look at the answer because I'll ask you how did you solve them, right? Correct na? Because answer is irrelevant for me. Correct है ना?
Yes.
चलो. Solve. I am starting the timer now. Okay, I am giving you 7 minutes. It is 58. 12 5 तक आता हूँ, right? Start. Done. चलो start करो बेटा.
सर जो पहला वाला नहीं समझा, सिर्फ पहला वाला नहीं समझा, बाकी मेरे पास सबके आंसर्स है.
हाँ?
मैं सर हो गया.
सिर्फ पहले वाला नहीं समझा, बाकी मैं मुझको
सर हो गया.
Okay, चलो सेकंड वाला बोल.
सेकंड वाला.
सर हो गया.
थर्ड 84 आंसर.
कैसे किया?
सर इफ अ नंबर इज मल्टीप्लाई, सर वो हटा दो ना.
हाँ 48 आएगा, राइट?
यस. तो फिर
डिवाइड
उसको
बाय
उल्टा कर देना है.
4, राइट? तो 12 आएगा. देन 12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 करेगा तो 84 आएगा, राइट?
यस.
वेरी गुड. चलो करेक्ट. चलो ध्रुव
सर हो गया.
धीरान.
सर
नेक्स्ट
सर
वन
बोल रहे हैं
धीरान.
ना.
Sir, can I do?
या चलो गणेश का 11th वन.
11th one is 111.
हाउ डू यू डू इट?
Because if find the seventh odd number, the greatest two-digit even number will be 98.
वेरी गुड.
So we need to see the odd number next to it, which is 99. In that we need to see which is the seventh odd number which
राइट.
is
सो
coming.
98. व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज 98 because it is an even number. Even number and odd number are the distance of 2, right?
Yeah.
So when you do 98 plus, how much you do? When you did 7, what do you do? How do you do it? 98
And see the
plus
next
14, right?
odd number.
Plus 14, right?
Yeah.
So you get what? 112, correct?
Yeah.
यस.
But you will take one number plus, right? So you take one number
Yes.
plus, यहाँ पे 98 की जगह पे you will take 99.
Yeah.
It is 99. Then you have 101 plus 103. Then 105, 107, 109, 111. कितना हो गया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct? So you know
Yes.
what you need to do? Short one is 99 is first number. Correct? This is 99
Yes.
is first number, right?
Yeah.
And you want what? 6 more numbers, right?
Yeah.
Even, right? Correct? Yes or no? So what do you get? 99 plus 12 is equal to 111. Got it? How you can do it fast? You got the first number
Yes.
and then you have to get 6 more numbers, right?
Yeah.
So this way you can calculate very fast. Suppose if I say what is the 10th number, what is the 15th number, what is the 30th number. So what you need to do is check the first number, bring the first number and then multiply by 2, right?
Yes.
Correct? Multiply by 2 of what?
Yeah.
Less 1, right? Chalo,
Yeah.
next third one. Dhiran.
Sir, 40 centimeter.
हाँ बेटा
40
आंसर नहीं चाहिए मेरे को बेटा, मेरे को आंसर नहीं चाहिए.
चालेल नुसतं दोघे गाड्या सोडून जिथे
पर
रेग्युलर
रीड
मी
करते
यायचे नाही. तुम्ही कधी आलात? दोघेही आलात? हाय हाय.
Class. No God.
बेटा. बच्चा. बच्चा. धीरान.
Yes.
रीड करो बेटा.
A rope 2 meter long. It's cut into 5 equal pieces. What length of one piece of rope?
वेरी गुड. तो क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? 2 मीटर को कन्वर्ट करोगे. 2 मीटर इक्वल टू 200 सेंटीमीटर. करेक्ट?
Yes.
And 200 divide by 5 you do it, right? So it is 40 centimeter. Answer is correct, but you have to read the question first, right?
Yes.
If you don't read the question, how will I know what is the correct answer?
Sir,
Chalo, next.
I just read it till the dot.
Right.
Till
No.
the full stop. I didn't read the full question.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है. चलो, ध्रुवित हो गया, धीरान हो गया, गणेश का. पक्ष बेटा वीडियो माइक दोनों ऑफ है. गणेश का वीडियो इज ऑफ. धीरान योर वीडियो इज ऑफ.
But it's on.
योर वीडियो इज ऑफ.
Yeah, it's.
हाँ. चलो पक्ष, व्हाई यू गिव द वीडियो एंड माइक ऑफ? चलो नेक्स्ट, फटाफट बोलो.
Sir, 18th वाला.
अभी मैंने कौन सा किया?
17th.
वेरी गुड. फिर
A school who 19 busy to
अरे विच वन आई हैव डन राइट नाउ? विच वन आई हैव डन?
14 બધા જોર ઉઠેલા ક્લાસમાં બેઠો છું બેડરૂમ માં કેટલું જોર થી બહાર બોલે છે ને
आवाज नहीं.
ક્લાસ પછી જઈએ તો એ લોકોને કેને યાર 2 મિનિટ છૂટ
क्या?
હું ફોન આપું છું એને તો
धीरान क्या हो रहा है? पक्ष कौन सा यूज कर रहा है बेटा? अभी तक तेरा ध्यान किधर है? तेरे को मालूम ही नहीं कौन सा किया हमने पहला।
और 96
हाँ
96
बेटा रीड कर क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर कौन सा रीड करेगा?
14 किया।
हाँ
Sir,
14 किया रे, 13 किया, 14 करना है तेरे को, राइट?
हम्म,
हाँ तो पढ़, आगे पढ़।
Mr. Jain lives in India on 1st January 2022. He returned after 84
क्या हो गया?
13 weeks.
कौन बोल रहा है?
धीराज
Rohit,
तेरा तेरा टाइम है क्या? तेरा टर्न है?
करेक्ट है, खुली पूछ रहा हूँ।
मैं शांति रख, वो बताएगा वो।
84 is the answer.
बेटा धीरन म्यूट कर दूंगा, तेरे को आवाज नहीं चाहिए मेरे को।
नहीं
तेरे टाइम में कोई बीच में बोलता है क्या?
was a boy.
तो क्या होगा? 13 वीक्स मतलब कितना हो गया?
चुप रह रहा तू क्या बाहर?
पक्ष
हाँ
कितना हो जाएगा? 13 वीक्स मतलब कितना हो गया? 13 into 7, 1 वीक इज 7 days, राइट?
यस
तो कितना हो गया? 91
91.
days, राइट? क्लियर है? हम्म, चलो नेक्स्ट। नेहान,
हाँ,
नेक्स्ट। विच नंबर डज नॉट बिलोंग टू द ग्रुप 4 5 6 2 3 4 1 2 3 6 7 8 5 6 7 4 6 7? Which is not in the group?
456.
क्यों? Why? Why? Ganishka, tell me what is the answer?
Was 16th question or 15th
15.
question?
15.
15th. The answer is 467.
Why?
Because all the numbers like 456 is coming like 456
Correct.
and
It's a
like
sequence,
1,
right?
2, 3. But in that, it's
It is
supposed to be
in
like 4,
ascending,
5,
right?
6,
4
but
5
instead
6
it came
2
4,
3
6.
4 1 2 3 4 6 7 8. All are in sequence, right? One number ahead. Now here this is 4 5 6. It was 6 7 8. It has to be in the sequence. It is not in the sequence. Chalo. In 2022, Independence Day will be celebrated on Monday. Which of the following date fall on Friday?
25th August.
कैसे किया बेटा? What is the Independence Day? 15th.
15th August.
15th August. Now all are 2022, so we are not bothered, right?
Yes.
So 15th August is what?
Independence Day.
Arey, what date is? Monday, right? Correct.
Yes.
So which will be on Monday?
Huh?
You want Friday, right? So Friday will be what?
Yes.
Monday. 16th is Tuesday.
Friday. 20 आएगा Friday.
बेटा 16 is Tuesday ना?
हाँ.
Tuesday. Then 17th. 17th क्या है?
So,
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
18th. Thursday.
Day.
And 19th is
Friday.
right?
Yes.
अब जाओ यहाँ पे।
यहाँ पर वो ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिया है.
नहीं दिया ना, तो फ्राइडे कौन सा हो सकता है? दैट इज व्हाट यू वांट, राइट?
Yes.
19th is Friday. So 19th September is Friday. Then 26th September is Friday. 7 days add करो, right?
Sir, 19 August.
Sorry, August. Sorry. ठीक है, अगस्त। ठीक है, देन 26 से 7 ऐड करोगे तो कितना होगा? 26 में 7 ऐड करोगे तो 26 प्लस 7 कितना होता है? 26 + 7 कितना होता है?
33.
तो 33 तो डेट नहीं होता है। अगस्त में कितने दिन होते हैं? 31, राइट?
Yes.
2 days
First
extra. 22
September.
2nd September, राइट? एंड देन 9 September, राइट?
Yeah.
क्या आ रहा है तुम्हारा?
Mommy.
9 September,
9 September.
correct? So you need to go to first number where it comes to Friday, right? So 15, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 4 days add, so you get 19. फिर 19 में all keep or adding 7 days. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. And which is the option? All these are Friday. 19 August, 26 August, 2nd September, 9 September, all are Friday. But what is the option given here? Only 9 September, correct? So this we already solved. Next, 18. A school hired 9 buses to take all the
Sir,
students
don't
of the
even-
standard 2 to the park. Bus took 47 students and 1 teacher. What is the total number of student and teacher who visited the park?
425. 4.
कैसे? कैसे? How many are there?
47.
And teacher को ऐड करेगा तो कितना होगा? 40.
405.
Wait, wait बेटा, घाई मत करो, राइट? टोटल कितने एक बस में कितने जाएगा? 48, राइट?
48.
48 in one bus, right?
Yes.
One bus, right? टोटल कितनी बसेस है?
No.
48 multiplied by 9, right?
Yes.
So you know how to do it, right? You don't have to calculate, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 8 9s लास्ट में 2 होगा. There is only one answer, correct? You don't have to calculate.
हेलो
132.
Correct? समझ में आ गया?
हाँ.
Because 8 multiplied by 9 will always give a 2 at the end. And there is only one number which is 2 at the end. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
क्लियर? समझ में आया कैसे हम फास्ट कर सकते हैं इसको?
Yes.
वेरी गुड. चलो, स्टडी गिव्स द केयरफुली 19 to 21 में 3 डेटा में, राइट? टाइप्स ऑफ आइसक्रीम, कप, कोन एंड चोकोबार. ओके, ये क्या लिया है? 2. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? विल काउंट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ दिस, राइट? तो यहाँ पे टोटल कितना होता है? 1 2 3 4 5. तो यहाँ पे 10 आइसक्रीम्स हो गई, राइट?
249.
नेक्स्ट वाला कितना होगा?
16. 16.
यस, नेक्स्ट वाला 16. नेक्स्ट वाला
12.
12.
करेक्ट. एंड टोटल कितना हो गया? करेक्ट.
38.
हाँ.
नाउ वो चेक करो. द नंबर ऑफ कोन्स आर मोर देन द नंबर ऑफ चोकोबार. नंबर ऑफ कोन्स कितना है?
16.
नंबर ऑफ चोकोबार?
4. 4.
नंबर ऑफ चोकोबार 12 है. आंसर 4 है. जो क्वेश्चन पूछा उसका आंसर दो मेरे को. फाइनल आंसर दीजिए. व्हाट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ आइसक्रीम अवेलेबल इन द शॉप? कैलकुलेट किया हमने ऑलरेडी. हाउ मेनी चोकोबार आर अवेलेबल इन द शॉप? ये भी कैलकुलेट कर दिया, राइट? तो वंस यू कैलकुलेट ऑल दिस, you will have to, don't have to
38.
wait, right? Correct है ना?
हाँ.
चलो, next. What is the product of the smallest 2-digit odd number and greatest 2-digit even number? Very good. तो सबसे पहले नंबर निकालो. What is the product of the smallest 2-digit odd number? 2-digit odd number कितना होता है? 11. And greatest 2-digit even number कितना होता है? 98. करेक्ट. तो लास्ट में क्या आना चाहिए? 18 आना चाहिए, 8 आना चाहिए. तो 8 तो सब जगह है, करेक्ट?
Yes.
11 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन है टॉट यू, राइट?
Yes.
11 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन है टॉट यू, राइट? कैसे करने का? हाउ विल यू डू इट? 11 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन
11 and 1 the 11. 11 to the 22.
98 तक करेगा.
हाँ.
98 तक करेगा?
हाँ.
नहीं कर सकता ना 98 तक.
नहीं.
Anything you want to multiply, suppose I said 23 multiply by 11, I am repeating, right? तो क्या होगा? 3 को नीचे लो, ऐड करो दोनों को, राइट? टोटल इन बिटवीन एंड 2 को नीचे लो, राइट? हो गया आंसर?
Yes.
हाँ
44 multiply by 11 क्या होगा? Take 4 down, 4 plus 4 8 and 4 down, right? So 484 आ गया आंसर, right? Similarly, if you want to do this, what will happen? 98 multiply by 11, what will happen? 8 नीचे आएगा, 9 plus 8 17,
Yes.
1 carry over, then 9 plus 1 10, correct?
Yes.
चलो next, quickly चलो 5 minutes है, fast fast करो. Solve greatest 2-digit number plus greatest 3-digit number minus odd number.
What? You just fast forward it like.
I am writing this, right? What is this? Greatest 2-digit number कितना होता है?
2 digit.
हाँ,
98.
99. है? Greatest 2-digit number 98 होता है, 99 होता है?
19.
Then greatest 3-digit even number 9 and 8
Yes.
minus इसका टोटल कितना होता है? What is the total for this? What is the total?
901.
हाँ?
901.
गलत जवाब. 901. 9 and 8 plus 99 करेंगे तो 901 कैसे आएगा?
Sorry. Plus कर 9. 17.
10
1,000.
97.
97.
बेटा टोटल तो करने आना चाहिए ना.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. माइनस क्या होगा? 4 डिजिट क्या आ रहा है? स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट ऑड नंबर. स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट ऑड नंबर क्या होगा? 1001, करेक्ट. माइनस करेगा तो क्या आएगा? 96, करेक्ट.
Yes.
एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन तो आना चाहिए ना, कि नहीं आना चाहिए? Which of the following calculation gives the largest answer?
8 to the
हाँ?
8 to the
This will be 15, this will be 2.5. ये तो डिवाइड ही नहीं होगा. एक मिनट है, ये डिवाइड है कि एडिशन है? एडिशन है. This will be 15. Okay, yes.
14.
8 to the 60. चलो ये तो सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है.
2.
Ajinkya ate 4/5 of the pizza. Sahil ate 8/5 of the pizza. Same pizza, Ronak ate remaining part of the same pizza. How much Ronak ate? कितना होगा? Correct?
3
Total 15 pieces.
3
4 pieces.
3 upon 15.
Very good. 8 plus 3 is equal to 15 pieces, right? Chalo, next. Next is already done. This we have done. Okay. Find the figure which come 47th place in the series of the given. Very good. How many shapes are there? Count karo. 1, 2, 3,
12.
5. Right? So why there 5 shapes? Right or wrong?
Yes.
So 47 divided by 5. What is the remainder? Remainder will be 2, right?
Yes.
So you have to take a second one, right? So
Sir,
that is
circle.
circle. Very
Sir,
good.
second one.
Clear?
Yes.
यहाँ पे I'll write the position number. ठीक है? I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Correct? All are repeating after 5.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So when you divide by this, the remainder will be 2.
There's 2.
Remainder will be 2. So this is the answer, right?
Yes.
Correct? Chalo. Next. which number is
It's
just
as
as
it's
far as
just
9,
as for
it is as far as of 15. करेक्ट? दोनों में सेम चीज है.
16
कैसे किया?
एक 9 को 1 लगाए तो 10 हो जाएगा और 15 लगाए तो 25 हो जाएगा.
तो व्हाट आई टू डू? 9 प्लस 25 कितना होता है? 9 प्लस 25 कितना होता है?
34
34 डिवाइड बाय
37 67
16
16 कैसा हो?
सर 16 है 17 नहीं है.
अच्छा चलो लेट्स चेक. राइट,
बाजूला कागद घे
लेट्स चेक. करेक्ट ना?
वेगळं फरक कर बरोबर
Yes.
कर
Nine.
पेन्सिल आहे
चुप.
पुढं
कौन आवाज कर रहा है? कौन आवाज कर रहा है इतना?
Sir Nehan.
9 25 राइट. 10 24 11 23
अरे
22 13 आवाज कम बेटा. 21
जा
14 20 15 19
सर
16
कैन आई लीव द क्लास.
नहीं बेटा 17 करेक्ट.
Yes.
कौन सा आया?
7.
This is the same question what we asked, right? Suppose somebody has 9 rupee and somebody has 25 rupees. How much 25 will give it to this to make it this thing? Or what will after when they give equal, what will happen? They will become 17. This is same question but a different. There we subtracted, here we have to add, right?
Yes.
Yes. Chalo. Rest will see next time, correct? So finish all this and post your doubts, right? Whatever doubts you have, you post this, right? This is chapter
Hi, sir.
IPM 22, right?
Bye sir.
Listen. Do 22, 23, 24, 21, 20. Do it in a reverse order. First do 24, then do 23, then do 22, then do 21, right? 21.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Bye,
Post
sir.
your doubts.
Bye
Hello.
sir.
Wait. Who is in hurry to go? I want everybody to write the assignments. What you are doing, correct? How many papers are done? You have to send me update by next class.
Sir,
Yes?
sir, if when I'm doing that in the laptop, no, that I can upload. That's why I will write in the paper and I will send you a
No
photo.
problem. You just send me how many papers. So what I want is how many paper you've done and what is it out. That's it I want, right?
Yes.
Sir Ganishka left.
No problem. You don't worry about this. You are there, na? You focus on what you are doing, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Bye.